lived with his family on 3rd Street, station number 3 in the city of Bhopal. Everyone affectionately called him Fakru.
Continue.
And when they wanted to tease him, they called him Fanik Fakru.
Yes. Continue.
Why? Because Fakru was a wonder. He wondered about everything. And when he wondered, he got frantic.
He got
would
frantic. Frantic. Reading test.
Run
Start, Sai Joshit.
live with his family on the station number 3 in the city of Bhopal. Everyone affectionately called him Fakru.
Affectionately.
Affectionately called him Fakru. And when they wanted to tease him, they called Frantic Fakru.
Frantic Fakru. Very good, Sai Joshit. You got 4 marks out of 5. Okay? Okay. Next, Tarini.
Yes, miss.
Come on, start reading. Continue. Why?
Then lived with. Why? Because Fakru was a warrior. He worried about everything. And when he worried, he got frantic. He would run here and then asking endless questions.
Continue.
When the power went off, he would get frantic and say, if there is no light, how will I study? If I can't study, how will I pass? If I fail, what shall I do?
Good. So 5 out of 5, Tarini. Good. Manha.
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, read.
Yes.
Hearing this, check with your speaker. Manha, your speakers are not. Manha, voice is breaking, beta. Check. Once check, beta. Once check the speakers. Vineet, come on, you start. Vineet Jaikar, start reading.
Amma.
Oh, he's not ready. Vineet Jaikar is not ready. Dhirav. 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 Vineet Jaikar, get ready fast. I'll ask you again. Dhirav, are you there? Yes. Can you hear me? Dhirav. Hanvit. Oh, he didn't connect to his audio. Mayuri. Come on. Mayuri, start reading better. Hearing this.
Fakhruddin lived with his family on 3rd Street Station on number 3 in the city of Bhopal. Everyone affectionately called him Fakhru. And when they wanted to tease him, they called him Fantasy Fakru.
Frantic Fakru.
Frantic Fakru.
Yes.
Why? Because Fakru was a worried.
Warrior.
He worried about everything.
He worried about everything.
He worried about everything.
Next.
And when he worried, he got frantic.
Okay.
He
He would
run here and there, asking
endless
questions.
Okay, Mayuri, good. But you have to try it again, beta. You got 3 marks, Mayuri, out of 5.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, once again you practice, huh? Hanvit, are you ready?
Yes, ma'am.
Come on, turn the page and come on, start reading. When the power went off.
When the power went off, he should get frantic and say, if there's no light, how I will study? If I can study, how will I pass? If I fail, what
Will?
what will I do? Hearing this, his mother should would place a lantern in
Hanvit, you didn't practice yesterday, beta. I have sent the homework note. Practice reading. Huh?
I practice, ma'am.
But you're studying and you're taking help. Read again. Hearing this.
Hearing this,
His mother
should place a lantern in
in front of him.
In front of him and say, Fakuru, you get frantic, but you never try
To solve
your problem.
Very good, very good. Your score is 300. Next time, when reading test is there next time, you should practice better than this, okay?
Okay.
Okay, beta. Well done, well done. Good. Ayansh Gupta.
Jao.
Yes, ma'am.
Tanvisri, you will get chance tomorrow. Don't cry. Tomorrow, 5 members done, no? Everyone 5 students daily. Good girl. You are a good girl. Come on, Ayansh.
When the power went off, he would get frantic and say, if there is no light, how will I study? If I can't study, how will I pass? If I fail, what will I do? Hearing this, his mother would place and
a lantern
in front of him and say, Fakru, you get frantic, but you never try to solve your problem.
Little fast. Little fast. Start again. You are reading good, but little fast. Come on. When the power went off, read again.
When the power went off, he would get frantic and say, "If there is no light, how will I study? If I can't study, how will I pass?
Good.
If I fail, what will I do?"
Hearing this?
Hearing this, his mother would place an lantern in front of him and say, "Fakru, you get frantic, but you never try to solve your problem."
Good. Good, Ayansh Gupta. Good. You got 5 out of 5. Good. So today's 5 children done, and rest of the students tomorrow again 5 students. Get ready. Whose turn will be you? It is a surprise. Okay. I will call out any 5 students tomorrow, and you should ready. Now let us go. Let us start the today's topic. What is our today's topic? Oh, I got something. I got some parcel, some card I got. What is this? I don't know what is this. Shall we open and see? I got an envelope. I got an envelope. From whom? From director, sir. From the director, I got an envelope. Let's open and see what is there inside it. Yes, let's see. Wow, very nice, colorful paper. Something is there inside that envelope. Are you excited to know? Yes? Something is written. Something is written in that. Let me read out for you. Date, today's date, it is written 26, okay? Dear grade 1 students, I really liked grade 1 students. Oh, yes. You are very active, attentive, and very punctual. Wow. I would like to appreciate you all. Very good, children. Keep it up. With love, Director N. Venkateshwar Rao, Birla Open Minds International School. Wow. You got an appreciation letter. It's a letter. Clap for yourself, children. Clap for yourself. Very good. Sir wrote here, I really liked grade 1 students. You are very active. Oh, you are very attentive and very punctual. Great. So children, this is a letter. And do you know how you will write a letter? Do you know letter writing? Huh? Shall we also learn and write a letter to the director, sir? Shall we write? We will thank to him today. So tell me, what are we going to learn today? What are we going to learn? Letter writing. Very good. So we will learn letter, how to write a letter, and then we will write a reply. We will thank our director, sir, for appreciating the grade 1 students. Shall we do that? You want to write a letter?
Yes.
Yes, we will start now. Before that, I want to show you something. Okay, let us learn the rules, how to write, what to write. Don't open any book, just look at the screen. Okay, children? Let's start now. So let's start today parts of a letter. Okay. Very important topic, children. Already you got appreciation that you are very attentive in the class. Come on. What you are able to see on the screen? Parts of a letter. Parts of a letter. Yes.
How shall we do that, card?
Nothing. Just see. You have to observe each and every part.
Okay.
Okay. Try to understand what I'm going to teach. Okay. Why do we need to learn how to write a letter? Why do we need to learn? When might you? Yes. And when might you need to write a letter? Why you have to write a letter? See, Ketana, look at the screen. Why and when? Now you got a letter. You should learn a letter writing to reply again, to thank someone, to give the information. Yes. So now see, there are three parts. We have three parts for the letter writing. Brinda, look at the screen. So three parts. There are three parts: head, body, and legs. Head, body, and legs. Three parts of a letter writing. Yes. You can see head, body, and legs. Heading, greeting, body, closing, and signature. Now let us see what is a heading, greeting, body, and closing, signature. Let us learn this. The heading is the first part of your letter. The heading is the first part of your letter. What is that? Date. You should start the letter writing with a date. And where you have to write the date on the letter? On the left side of your paper. Children, where you have to write the date? Tell me. On the left side of your paper. Come on, tell me. Where you have to write the date on the letter?
Left side of the paper.
Yes, left side of the paper. I'll show you. After this presentation, I will show you how to write left side. Okay. Now let us see. This is the heading. The next part of the letter is greeting. So what is a greeting? Greeting is like dear. You can start the letter by writing dear or respected. If any elders are there, then you can write respected. Or if you are writing a letter to your friends, you can start with dear. See? First is heading. Already we have done. This is the heading, October 12, 2016. One date I have written there. And next one, greeting. What is the greeting? Dear, dear Pooja. Or dear Rahul. Dear Vinith. Dear Manha. So you can write any name. Dear. Dear means with love. To your friends you can write. And it begins with a capital letter and ends with a comma. Okay? It begins with a capital letter. Greeting. Greeting will start with a what, beta? With a small letter or capital letter? Tell me. Greeting of the letter. We should start with a small letter or a capital letter?
Capital.
Capital. And we have to end the greeting with?
Comma.
Comma. Yes, you can see here, comma. Dear, D we have started with a capital letter, and then we have dear is the capital letter here, and here we have wrote a comma. Let us see the next one. So heading is done, date, and next one greeting, and next you see here where you have to write the left side. I told you to write the date left side, no? See, this is the left side of your page. Show me thumb, children. Are you able to see that? Where I have written the date? Come on, tell me. Brindha, you are not responding. Where is the date, children? Left side or right side?
Right side.
Oh, is it right side?
Left side.
Ah,
Yes.
yes, for you it is looking right side, beta. It is appearing in the right side.
Yes.
Okay, but you should write only in the left side. On the left side, left of your paper.
Okay.
Okay, maybe it is appearing opposite like. Okay, so but while writing, you have to take the left side of your paper. And first, what do we have? Greeting. Sorry, heading. Heading is date. Heading is? Tell me. Heading is?
Heat.
Date. See? Date. And greeting is what we have written? Greeting, dear Pooja. Can you see there? I drew a line. Next one, body. What is the body? The matter, okay? The content or the information you want to share with your friends or anybody else. So that you have to write here after greeting. You have to write. That is the body, okay? How are you? I like the way you sing. There, no, we received the letter, no children. In that also, sir has written, no, I really liked grade 1 students. You are very active, attentive, and very punctual. So this is the main information which sir want to share with you. So that comes under body. And next, let us see the next. Next is the body. Like human body has a heart as its main organ. The body of the letter 2 is very important. Yes, each and every part of the letter is Pradiksha. Look at the screen. Siddharth, are you listening? Yes. So how the parts of the each and every part of a body is important. In that way, each and every part of the letter is also important. Now see, here you can see the arrow again. Heading, date is given. And next one, greeting is given. And next, body. Okay. And let's see the next, closing. What is the closing of the letter? Closing of the letter is signature. Closing, your name. You have to write there your name. And you have to start with like sincerely, lovingly. Okay. If you are writing a letter to your friend, then you can end with love, with love, and your name. If you are writing to elders like directors or teachers, if you are writing a letter to them, then you can write there sincerely. And then you have to put a signature. At the end, what you have to do? You have to put the signature. You have to remember one thing, children. Capital letters, when you are starting with starting a sentence, you have to start with a capital letter. And after the full stop also, you have to start with a capital letter. Okay. After greeting, comma should be kept. At the end of the sentence, full stop. So don't forget to use these punctuations. Yes, see here, your friend, you can use this for closing. For closing the letter, oh, we have, time is running out. Okay. So we have these three, sincerely, your friend, and love. So this is your letter, parts of a letter. Now see, October 12, Pooja, dear Pooja, how are you? I like the way you sing. Your friend, Sneha. At the end, see the name, your friend, we have written. If you are writing to a friend, so we have written a friend and comma, and then your name, Sneha, and you can also put your signature. This is a complete parts of a body. feeding, greeting, body, legs.